Boom and bust, stagnation and growth. Are these just random cycles, or do ancient strategies hold the key to understanding modern industry? The World Meteorological Organization confirmed that January 2025 was the warmest January on record. The continued rise in global temperatures is a clear indicator of the ongoing climate crisis. Climate-related disasters have displaced over 20 million people annually in the past decade. Vulnerable communities in the global south are disproportionately affected, with limited resources to rebuild or recover. These events underscore the urgent need for climate adaptation and mitigation efforts to address the growing threat of extreme weather. In today's analysis, we explore how the wisdom of the Jing and Sun Tzu's art of war can decode the hidden signals in industrial production, manufacturing struggles, and the rise of high-tech innovation. Will your business thrive or fall behind in the next economic storm? Sun Tzu and the Jing provide the blueprint for surviving uncertainty. Are you applying their wisdom? Subscribe now for in-depth economic analysis and turn insights into action. Comment below, which industry do you think will dominate the next decade? Turn on notifications so you never miss expert strategies on navigating industrial change. Stick around as we reveal how businesses can turn crises into opportunities, just as great strategists have done for centuries. Are you prepared to navigate the coming economic storm? The timeless wisdom of Jing teaches us that the only constant in the world is change. Those who embrace change with foresight and adaptability are the ones who thrive. Our Diamond membership is more than just a service. It is a gateway to deep insight, strategic clarity, and personal empowerment. This exclusive experience is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate life's most complex challenges. By combining the ancient wisdom of Jing with the latest advancements in technology, we provide a unique opportunity to gain profound insights into your personal and financial future. Every moment is an opportunity. Don't let it slip away. For just $3.99, you can begin a transformative journey that will enhance your understanding of the world and your role within it. Join us today and become part of a community dedicated to growth, wisdom, and success. Membership slots are limited, and this is an opportunity reserved for those who are truly committed to shaping their future. Take the next step now. Secure your place and unlock the power of knowledge to create a future filled with clarity and purpose. Let's dive in. The US economy is a complex beast, a multifaceted vulnerabilities within the economy. The manufacturing severe winter conditions. The southern US was hit by a complex and often contradictory scenario. This paradox during a deep dive into data and trends. Recent industrial production figures highlight this complexity, revealing both growth and decline. January 2025 saw an overall increase of 0.5% in industrial production. This seemingly positive figure masks underlying paradoxes and potential vulnerabilities within the economy. The manufacturing sector, traditionally a powerhouse of American industry, experienced a 0.1% decline, a small yet significant drop. This dip, while small, raises concerns about the sector's future stability and growth. It suggests a potential weakening in this crucial area, hinting at deeper issues that need addressing. Meanwhile, the utilities sector surged by a staggering 7.2%, a remarkable increase. This surge was driven by unusual weather patterns, particularly severe winter conditions. The southern US was hit by a series of powerful winter storms, unprecedented in their intensity. These storms caused a spike in energy demand, pushing the utilities sector to new heights. This situation highlights the vulnerability of our industrial sectors to external shocks. External factors like extreme weather events can have a significant impact on industrial output and stability. The manufacturing paradox is this: overall growth alongside sector-specific declines, a complex and often contradictory scenario. This paradox demands a deeper understanding of the forces at play beyond surface-level statistics. It requires us to look beyond the surface and analyze the intricate interplay of different economic factors to truly grasp the underlying dynamics. The divergence between the utilities and manufacturing sector, on the other hand, faces more systemic challenges and trajectories. The utilities sector, traditionally viewed as stable but unexceptional, benefited from unusual circumstances. The cold snap, while disruptive, created a surge in demand for energy. This surge translated into significant growth for the sector. This growth, however, is unlikely to be sustainable. It was driven by an anomaly, a weather event outside the normal range. As temperatures normalize, so too will energy demand. The manufacturing sector, on the other hand, faces more systemic challenges. The 0.1% decline, though small, represents a continuation of a worrying trend. Manufacturing has been steadily losing ground in the US economy for decades. This decline is due to a complex interplay of factors. These factors include globalization, automation, and the rise of the service sector. The recent figures suggest that these challenges are not going away. They are likely to intensify in the coming years. The complexities of the modern industrial landscape may system of hexagrams, each representing a specific situation. Military strategists emphasize the importance of adaptability, providing insights into our current predicament, bridging the gap between past and present. They provide a framework for understanding change, adapting to challenges, and navigating uncertainty in a rapidly evolving world. The Jing, or Book of Changes, is an ancient Chinese divination text that has stood the test of time. It offers guidance through its system of hexagrams, each representing a specific situation or state of change, providing timeless wisdom. Hexagram 5, Shui Tian Shu, Shu Shu Ye, Xian Zai, Qian Ye, waiting, resonates with the current state of the manufacturing sector, highlighting the importance of timing. It speaks to a time of difficulty, where patience and preparation are essential for overcoming obstacles. It suggests that now is not the time for rash action, but for careful observation and strategic planning to ensure success. Sun Tzu, the renowned military strategist, emphasized the importance of adaptability in his treatise, The Art of War, a principle still relevant today. It wrote, "Just as water retains no constant shape, so in warfare there are no constant conditions," a metaphor for flexibility. This principle applies equally to the ever-shifting landscape of the global economy, where change is the only constant. Businesses must be prepared to adapt their strategies to be fluid and responsive in the face of unexpected challenges, ensuring resilience and growth. The 0.1% decline in manufacturing out job losses in the sector. The rise of the service sector, while also preparing workers for the jobs. Manufacturing, once the backbone of the American economy, has been grappling with a myriad of challenges. Globalization has led to increased competition from countries with lower labor costs. This has put pressure on American manufacturers to reduce prices, often at the expense of wages and jobs. Automation, while increasing efficiency, has also displaced workers, further contributing to job losses in the sector. The rise of the service sector has also played a role. As consumers spend more on services, such as healthcare, education, and entertainment, the demand for manufactured goods has not kept pace. This decline in traditional manufacturing has had a profound impact on the American workforce. Many manufacturing jobs have been lost, leading to unemployment and economic hardship in communities that once relied on these industries. The challenge for policymakers is to find ways to support the manufacturing sector while also preparing workers for the jobs of the future. How can policymakers ensure that the benefits of the technology revolution are shared more broadly, while addressing the widening gap between those with the skills to compete in the digital economy and those who risk being left behind? While traditional manufacturing struggles to keep pace with the industry, these companies are driven by relentless innovation, and it creates new jobs and industries, driving economies worldwide. The 1.5% increase in computer and electronics production highlights this trend, showcasing the growing demand for advanced technological products and services. Tech giants like Apple, Google, and Microsoft are now among the most valuable companies in the world, with their influence extending far beyond the tech industry. These companies are driven by relentless innovation, constantly developing new products and services that are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From smartphones and laptops to cloud computing and artificial intelligence, the tech sector is at the forefront of the digital revolution, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This shift towards a more technology-driven economy presents both opportunities and challenges, reshaping the job market and the skills required to thrive. On the one hand, it creates new jobs and industries, driving economic growth and prosperity, and fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. On the other hand, it also widens the gap between the haves and have-nots, as those without the skills and education to compete in the digital economy risk being left behind in this fast-paced world. The challenge for policymakers is to ensure that the benefits of the technology revolution are shared more broadly, investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to succeed in the 21st century economy and bridging the digital divide. How can building resilience to climate change, such as investing in robust infrastructure and developing early warning systems, mitigate the risks to our industrial base and ensure the long-term health of the American economy? The 7.2% surge in the utilities sector highlights frequent and severe weather events, the risks to our extreme weather events. The unprecedented winter storms that battered the southern US in January 2025 serve as a stark reminder of the disruptive power of nature. These storms caused widespread power outages, disrupted supply chains, and forced businesses to shut down. The economic costs were significant, running into billions of dollars in lost output and damage to infrastructure. As climate change continues to unleash more frequent and severe weather events, the risks to our industrial base will only grow. Heat waves can cripple transportation networks, droughts can disrupt agricultural production, and floods can inundate factories and warehouses. Building resilience to climate change will be crucial for the long-term health of the American economy. This will require investing in more robust infrastructure, developing early warning systems, and diversifying supply chains to reduce vulnerability to disruptions. How can ancient wisdom such as the Jing's guidance on change and Sun Tzu's teachings on adaptability help modern businesses adapt to the current challenges faced by the traditional manufacturing sector? The challenges facing the modern industrial world may seem daunting, but ancient wisdom can offer guidance. The I Ching provides a framework for understanding change and adapting to challenging circumstances. Hexagram 12, Tiandi Fo, Bisebutong Gotong Buliang. A standstill resonates with the current state of traditional manufacturing. It suggests that the old ways are no longer working and that a fundamental change is needed. This could involve embracing new technologies, diversifying into new markets, or finding ways to add value beyond simply producing goods. Sun Tzu's teachings on adaptability are also relevant. He stressed the importance of being flexible, of adjusting one's strategy to fit the changing circumstances of the battlefield. In the same way, businesses today must be agile and responsive, constantly adapting to the shifting sands of the global economy. How can businesses adopt adaptive strategies to thrive in the face of challenges in the modern industrial world? To thrive in the face of these challenges, businesses need cost producers. Businesses can differentiate themselves by mindset from one of rigidity and resistance to one of flexibility and innovation. One key strategy is to embrace technology. Automation, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are transforming the manufacturing process. Businesses that embrace these technologies will be better positioned to compete in the global marketplace. Another strategy is to focus on niche markets. Rather than trying to compete on price with low-cost producers, businesses can differentiate themselves by offering specialized products or services tailored to specific customer needs. Finally, businesses need to invest in their workforce. Training and upskilling programs are essential to ensure that employees have the skills they need to succeed in the digital economy. How can businesses position themselves to thrive in the future of advanced manufacturing characterized by greater customization, shorter production runs, and a more distributed manufacturing landscape? The future of manufacturing will be shaped by a confluence of designed, manufactured, and distributed, the future geopolitical shifts, and the evolving demands of consumers. While traditional manufacturing may continue to face challenges, the sector is not doomed. The rise of advanced manufacturing, which combines traditional manufacturing techniques with cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing, robotics, and artificial intelligence, offers a glimpse into the future. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way products are designed, manufactured, and distributed. The future of manufacturing will be characterized by greater customization, shorter production runs, and a more distributed manufacturing landscape. Businesses that can adapt to these changes will be well positioned to thrive in the years to come. What lessons can today's leaders learn from the art of war in navigating economic turmoil? The challenges facing the manufacturing sector, embracing adaptability and recognizing that change investment strategies, but also explore its eternal you delay as an opportunity lost. For just a more resilient economy will require a multifaceted approach that includes investing in education and infrastructure, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship, and promoting policies that support sustainable growth and shared prosperity. It will also require us to heed the wisdom of the ancients, embracing adaptability and recognizing that change is the only constant. By learning from the past, adapting to the present, and planning for the future, we can navigate the challenges ahead and build a more resilient and prosperous tomorrow. Predicting the future is the first step toward reshaping it. Every effort we make today to change our reality will inevitably become part of tomorrow's history. On this channel, we not only draw upon the timeless wisdom of Jing to guide your investment strategies, but also explore its eternal principles to provide transformative insights for your financial decisions. We delve into the profound art of Jing spiritual healing, combining the harmony of heaven and humanity with actionable psychological principles to master life and investment strategies. At Jing AI and An, we've crafted 3 membership tiers tailored to your needs, each unlocking unique opportunities for self-growth and financial mastery. Every minute you delay is an opportunity lost. For just $3.99 per month, you could transform your understanding of the world and your position within it. Join us today and be part of a journey that blends ancient wisdom with cutting-edge technology to empower your future. As the Jing teaches, guide according to the circumstances. Let us guide you towards success.